Ron Schnare, Atlantic salmon fisherman. Oh, just missed it. Reel, 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 reel. Keep that rod. You can always pull the rod back towards the cabin, right? To keep the tension.